Welcome back. Now it's been some days I haven't been doing much with the cars out in the garage and things. So now just have to try to start up again. I have not the biggest plan for today because it's Christmas time and other things that we have been doing. But I was trying to think about take off the wheels on this 2000 model Celica and try to see if I can find out which part get knocked in, get ruined, you can say, when me and the boy was out test driving or training driving, practice driving. He hit a pothole on the right hand side. So after that we get a knocking noise in the suspension. So now we're trying to find out what. I have been lifting up the car. The stands are on there also, but it stands on tripods, big ones, and I'm going to put the jack back again because I had that one out, just changing some wheels on one of the Land Cruisers. So first I'm just going to put that for this to be safe. There. One more safety. Can never be too safe. Yeah. I've been taking off. This side is to put the light on there. But up here, the shock absorber is the old one. But I have new one. I've changed the spring, so I'm going to put the spring on a new shock absorber and fix those things. And on the top here, this plate, I had a twisting system in it. I'm going to change for both sides. This side is the old spring, or I don't think the springs are old. On the other side I think it was twisting off because of other things. But here I got a knocking noise that I have to try to understand where did that one come from. The knocking noise I got sounds very metallic, so I have to try to see. Bushing in here. Does someone have a good idea how to check the different bushings? This arm I was thinking could be a problem. They don't looks to be that. Something bigger, I think. The spring seems to be okay. I'm not sure how much space is supposed to be under here on the turn of this. I can't get any knocking noises. In here, stabilization rod is going into the, could have been the rubber seal in there, but that looks okay. The end joint here looks okay. And then it's the underneath here, this bearing. How could I get in to check that? Just putting the camera there. This end bearing here. There's no move in that. To be honest, I'm not sure. I can't see anything that's supposed to make that noise. Since this bearing is okay, as I can see it. The bearing under here, I can't see that that has some problems. The other big ones here, that's that one and the one in here for this arm. And to be honest, I can't tell how they are supposed to be. It's moving up and down on the rubber, and that should be completely okay, as I can understand it. I have to go to the other side to see there. Other side. The thing I was wondering about was this under here. This one looks to be just as far down. This is moving up and down too. To be honest, I can't see anything on the other side. Should be telling me that this was wrong. But there's some knocking noise somewhere. And he was driving. I tried to find the video again and put it in so you guys can see it, so we can try to understand it together. The road is not good here at all. So I don't have to go and do the same job again right after, because it's shot. Here. It's here just hitting hard. So some rubber. I think it's rubber. What do you think? Could be some other things, but I think it's some rubber in the suspension who are breaking off. Now I have to take off the brakes. I'm going to take off that. to take off this suspension part here. The screw on that one is going to go up. The screw locking the brake. I had one plan today, not a big one either, it's a small one. I was trying to see one specific place where the knocking noise was coming from, but I can't see it. And since I haven't had this problem before, I'm not sure. That's why I'm asking you guys. I'm going to cut in a piece here now on the video from when I was out driving to record the sound, and it's coming from the right hand front suspension. I'm quite sure about that because it's coming when I hit some small potholes. This noise is coming after that. So maybe some of you guys have an idea where I should start looking for it. So please send me an idea what to do, where to start, and then trying to find out of this together. So I hope someone can help. That would be very nice. If not, I just have to pick everything to pieces and starting putting in new stuff, but it's kind of stupid. And I see that the most of the stuff looks to be stable and without anything, but it could be that it looks okay but it's not. So that's something I'm not sure about. So please write a comment and tell about what I should be looking for, and please subscribe to my channel and put a like if you like the videos I make, and comments is always welcome about good ideas, what I could have done smarter, because I'm not perfect, far away from it, but I'm trying. I am trying to learn, and I hope that by me doing mistakes and learning things, some other guys also feel that they can start to do something themselves and that they learn from my mistakes. So thank you.